So I'm Don Cloy. I am the maintenance department manager at Owaka Milk Products, and I have been in maintenance for the past 12 years here. When I started as a general mechanic out on the production floor. From there, I was promoted to working foreman at the time, and then a supervisor in maintenance, and then maintenance department manager going on 5 years ago. Maintenance technician, as it relates to Owaka, they ensure that the equipment stays operational so that we can meet our production demands. They go around and make sure that the equipment is operating at peak performance or peak efficiency. They assist in keeping production, and not only production as it relates to Owaka, but really every facet of walk of life. There has to be someone that has a higher skill level to keep whatever it is, if it's your vehicle, if it's your AC unit or your furnace at home, or if it's on the production line at Owaka. Someone has to have that higher skill level to make sure that troubleshoot and keep the line operational. So a typical day for the mechanics, they have a pre-packet of work assigned to them, so that we want them to go out and work with production, understand what's been causing some heartache or some issues out on the line. They will also receive PMs and work orders. A PM is a preventative maintenance. A work order is something that an operator, whomever saw was not operating correctly, and they are given the work order along with the necessary components to correct it. So I went to Alfred State College, and again I took construction and maintenance electrical there. And then beyond that, Owaka has provided me training off-site to help train for my role as department manager. I went to college for construction and maintenance electrical. Really, I thought I'd be doing something in the electrical field only. When I had the opportunity to join Owaka, it really caught my attention because there was more to offer than just electrical. You will train people how to be welders, we'll train people how to be millwrights, how to be plumbers. So there's more variety in this position, which was really appealing to me at the time. You have to be a successful maintenance tech. You should be open-minded, willing to learn new things. You should be good with your hands, have an understanding. People learn things in different ways. Some people are auditory, some people have to grab it and touch it and feel it and understand it. For me personally, I wasn't one to sit in the classroom and be able to absorb the material. I was someone that had to go out and physically touch it to understand it. Not saying every mechanic has to have that, but it is part of the aptitude. Really enjoyed all aspects of it, and a lot of the skills that I've picked up here at Owaka have been able to kind of translate to me working around my home. You know, I can't say I have a welder sitting at home, but I certainly have been able to do some carpentry, some plumbing that normally most people would have to hire out. Again, you get a broad base and a broad skill level here. One project that was rewarding from my time as a maintenance technician, we had a machine that would take the product and put it into a carton 4-pack carrier. The machine was not a well-functioning machine. We had an idea, myself and another mechanic, on how to kind of re-engineer it and make it more reliable and make it less moving parts for that particular piece of equipment, and then we saw a significant increase after that work. I would give them the advice to stay open to opportunities. Me being a maintenance tech isn't for everyone, certainly. If you feel like, if you enjoy working with your hands, if you enjoy being the guy that wants to have that a little bit of additional responsibility on your shoulders, you work well on your own and you work well with a team, it might be something worth pursuing for that individual.